Now, how to represent statement? Basic thing is what? Notation for a statement. Okay. So, now represent statement by lower case letters of alphabet like P, Q, R, S, like this. So, these should be in the lower case. Now, for example, we have given a statement is given. Now, given statement, we can write any of the statement. Okay. Now, suppose the statement is San Francisco is in California. Now, when mathematically we are going to represent this with the notation, so what we are going to write it? We will be writing, let it be small case letter P, P, San Francisco is in California. So, like this we are going to represent a statement.